We are back in The Baby in Yellow. Yeah, The Baby in Yellow. Alright, night one. So we'll go back to the beginning. It's time for bed, the child. Is that what you think? Right, night one. Let's see, we've got the baby. Oh, hello there. Hello. Any new friends today? Want a high five? No, just want to ignore me. I need to feed the baby with the bottle. Give the bottle to baby. I'll force fed you. I'm just kidding. There we go. I'm not going to force feed you today. And oh my god, the smell. I'm just going to put you right there. Actually, no, never mind. I'll just put it there. And what in the world? Oh my god, you keep disappearing every single time. Oh yeah, I changed your nappy in the living room. Right. You're not trying to cause trouble here, are you? You're not trying to use cursed powers. But I'm just going to put you in there. Oh no, baby! Oh whoa! Oh my god, it's so dizzy! Oh my god! Whoa! I just thought the baby was just gonna heat out. It's just gonna heat out the washing machine. I'm feeling so dizzy, huh? Let's grab the teddy. And read the prince and the cat. I just dropped it by mistake.
Across the shore, in distant lands, with dark stars overhead, the prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed.
"I found a secret garden,"
said the cat with much delight. Excitedly, they ran outside, explorers in the night. They walked through the golden garden gate.
"Look at the pretty trees."
They walked along the pretty pebble path.
"Look at the colourful flowers."
They walked past the fabulous flowing fountain.
"Look at the dancing water. Look, look, look."
But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear.
"What a mistake I made,"
the cat cried out.
"I should never have brought him here."
Night, little baby. And I love your cute cat. Anyways, I love cats. It's so cute. Alright. And let me check if the door's not open. Let me close that. I'm trying to watch some TV. I'm trying to watch Netflix. Or Disney Plus or Paramount Plus, Prime. Or Cartoon Network. Listen to the baby. Coming. Coming. How did you get down there? You causing a lot of trouble. Come on, let's put you into bed. I'm trying to settle the baby. Good night. Love you. Sweet dreams. Peace and quiet. Oh my god. You think that's funny, huh? Oh. Alright. I swear that that the ghost might go after the baby or possessing the baby. I think it's going after the baby to destroy me. The child laughing. Look, look, isn't it funny? This is how I told you not to do that. Okay, so the baby, I'm guessing the baby is in the living room. Hello, baby here. Oh, I just went into a box. You can't sit there. You can't sit in any of the chairs. That's unfortunate. You can only sit in the high chair because you're a baby. Get a bottle from the fridge. Excuse me? Oh, for God's sake. Trying to get the bottle. You're just messing with me, huh? Trying to mess with me? Trying to mess with the red panda? Can you literally stop using your creepy powers? Thank you very much. I'm trying to get the milk bottle out of the fridge and you just made it disappear. You're a very, very bad baby. Oh, I just turned on. I just turned off the sink. I just turned on. Very nice little tub. I tried to change the nappy. I tried to change the nappy while the baby's on the sink. Oh. Why am I so slow? I'm so slow, but I wish I could go a little bit faster in this game to catch the diaper. You need to make yeah, that is one strong nappy. I'm giving you to the baby. This map is quite crazy. Alright. Take baby to the bed. Oh. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, don't look at me like that. I'm gonna put you in the oven to cook. Oh my god! Oh my. Oh, the. Close the oven. Oh my god, what? Did you see that? I'm trying to cook the baby. I'm trying to cook the baby and the head is sticking out. That's weird. And you're smiling right now. And you think that the explosive oven is so much fun. Prince and the Bunny Rabbit, we'll just call it Prince and the Rabbit. First I'll give you this teddy bear. And I'll read the book about the Prince and the Rabbit.
When the rabbit came to visit, the prince said, "Time to play." But his big red eyes, they scared her, and she didn't want to stay. Quickly towards the exit, the tiny rabbit hopped. The prince ran right behind her and screamed she must be stopped.
What's wrong with you, child? I'm trying to read.
Through dark corridors he chased her. Hop, hop, hop. A relentless, futile flight. Hop, hop, hop. Round and round inside the palace, in and out of space and sight. Hop, hop, hop.
Uh-oh.
The prince, he couldn't catch her. His heart was filled with wrath. The rabbit slipped right out the door and vanished down the path. The prince cried out, "I need new friends, more, now, another." "I'll bring you some, don't worry now," replied his loving, caring mother.
Okay, that's the end of that story. Huh? I gave you the bunny rabbit. Alright, it's just disappeared. Right, that's how you can have the cat. And also, you can have the sheep. I put the rabbit, I swear I put the rabbit in the cot, and now it's just disappeared. And also you can have that plushie as well. I was going to bury this baby with teddies. And a rubber duck as well. I can't pick up the crown, that's unfortunate. 3 normal souls, I can't unlock the thingy. I can't turn off the lights. That's quite unfortunate. I only do it in the PC game, like in the Down to the End game. Let's check out the parents. Like we've been there before in the last video. And now it's time to chill. Oh, that must be the door. Oh, there's a bunny rabbit. What the? I swear I saw the rabbit. Look at those footprints. Is that fluff on the floor? Never mind. Let's not worry about the bunny rabbit. Close the kitchen. Close the door. Close that door as well. Peace and quiet. Night 3, the sitter. Good night, sweet dreams, the child. Oh, I'll show you my dreams. I tried to do a Freddy Fazbear voice. Alright, so the baby. But this time the baby is upstairs. Go upstairs and settle the baby. Aww. Hello. Let's put some toys. Let's grab the cat. Let's put the cat on the baby's head. And the fluffy sheep. And then rubber ducky. Keep getting toys on the baby's head. How to Dream Like a King. Stories of creepy children. Oh, that's horrifying. Yeah, that was quite horrifying though. Perhaps a cheesy toasty. Let's... If you haven't heard of the Baby Yellow game before, please just remind you, don't get scared, I don't have nightmares. Some pickles, and then I was going to pick the pickles, but okay, I'll grab the cheese. And actually no, I just have one pickle. And then... Oh! Oh my god! Okay. Time to get on I me like that. I'll take myself to bed. Oh hell no, oh hell no, oh hell no. Calm the baby down. Locked? Why do you lock me in? Alright, the prince and the sheep. They're trying to force me to read something.
It was cold throughout the palace. The moon shone bright outside. The wind, it blew and blew. Oh no! The curtains flew open wide. The little prince was in his bed and couldn't get to sleep. So he called out for his mother, "Please go and find my sheep." "I'm thirsty," said the prince. So the sheep fetched a drink. "I'm dirty," said the prince. So the sheep changed his clothes. "I'm tired," said the prince. "Let me count you. 1, 2, 3. Just one more thing," said the prince. "Before I drift to sleep." He opened up his big red eyes and turned to face the sheep. "Come join me in my dreams. Stay forever in my head." Obediently, the sheep stepped forth, its mind consumed.
What in the... Okay, the plushie... The baby plushie did not turn evil.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you guys for watching my video, and bye-bye, and please sure to subscribe and leave comments below and like this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.